TS4 here. Right now we have the AB plug here. This one is an intelligent electrical water valve. I was just tampering with it there, just hooking up the app on it, so I just rest it back inside of the packaging here for the moment. So this is how it looks here. The model I have is this one here with the Wi-Fi PM01L. It also the PM01K, which look like the knob control here. I get a little knob there to manually turn it. See, like this one also have a manual knob on it as well. So then the manual for it, showing you how to configure the app and stuff here. This is the Bluetooth sensor for it. We'll take a look at that just now. There the app there, you have to download. I'm just showing you all the settings. I'm showing you the on off, lights when the network connected, multifunction button, how to connect the Wi-Fi. You hold on for 6 seconds. Yeah, so this is the body right here, but let's get into it here, take a closer look. So the good thing about this is that it comes with union connections, so it's easy to take on or off in case you need to run the servicing on it. Power supply. The only thing with this power supply is that it came without a plug, so you'll need to attach your plug according to what country you're living in, which not hard to do at all. Only thing is that I don't have no string right now to ground there to power the plug, so I might just use some electrical tape and find a plug to plug it on. The next part for the union to go on the next end. It was in this nice bubble wrap here too as well, and it is IP65 rated, so it can be out in the weather. So you can see the connection here. Right for one side, and let's have the next connection here for the other side. Already cover the end face here. So you're just basically plugging in, retracting, and then you're screwing down the protecting thing after over it to lock it on. Screwing on in this one. Let me get this cardboard box that seems to be the focus of the video here. I'll leave off this next union piece, but to be one on both sides. I'll take it off for that. So this is how inside looks there. There's plastic like inside, it's not metal. The bottom here, like it has some kind of, you can mount it by screwing it onto something there if you desire to do so. This is the cup here. I'll also show you what the grate in here, if it open, if it close. That's the arrow to show you if it open or close. This is the Wi-Fi module. Here you can just press it and that will turn it on and off by just hitting it one click on, then one click off. Hold it down for Wi-Fi, and it's showing you here and all if it open and what's if it open or close, switch the hash shot there. So right now it closed, so by the close 0 degree, when it open it'll turn to the 90. Look like the manual turn in there in case there's anything you want to turn it on manual. Looks nice and strong at the moment and waterproof. It will wait when you go in, it will be out in the weather and getting sun and stuff. So hopefully the Wi-Fi antenna and all hold up to the heat outside. Because I know all these things are strong, but sometimes the Wi-Fi structure there sometimes doesn't be as strong as you want it to be, but we will see. So I believe that is it. Let me just talk about the app here. So on the app, I did just plug in the wire direct into our plug just to make sure that the app and everything was working. So when you log into the app, you have to scroll down to the irrigation section down below and look for the valve. I didn't see the valve itself with the model number, so I just pressed on the order, and when you go into order, you'll be able to put your Wi-Fi, where you're going to put it on, and your password one time. And from there, when you enter in that, it will create another screen, and from there is where you'll do the holding on and pressing there. Make sure the light flashing after 6 to 9 seconds. It will ask you if the light flashing and so forth, and you just go through the basic settings, and from there it will start paying. And from paying from there, I will be attending to any problems doing any paying or anything like that. Paid easy. The only thing before is that I wasn't seeing the valve itself, so I was wondering which one it was. But I just pick order smart valve, and then put in my password, press the button, light start flashing green, and that was it. It pop up on the app and it starts loading paying for itself. And when it done pay, it just had a button on the screen telling it to turn it on or off on the app. And you could also set timers if you like in the night water pressure does be hard or whatever. You could lock it off. You could put schedules for it to come back on in the morning. Like us here, we don't really lose water, so we have water mostly all the time. Water might go once, maybe in a month or two, something like that. So what is going on is the water pressure don't go, but it does get low. So the pump does continue coming on. But sometimes it still have enough water, and the pump set a little high for more pressure to reach where we want it to reach, and to get some more pressure out of the pump for the fixtures and stuff. So sometime in the night it doesn't really need to be on, sometime in the day it still don't need to be on. So from inside, the pump a little way out, I can just press from there and switch it off, switch off the pump, and let the normal basic water from the water company do whatever it needs to do. And if I find the pressure drop a little low or reach lower than the amount I want, I can always put it back on to suit. And that's how it will be going. So it's just to go and get a plug. Our plugs all over the place lying around. As I say, I don't have any heat shrink right now, so I'll just be putting some electrical tape on it and just plugging it into a plug. I have a plug right next to the pump, so I'll plug it in from there. Right, so the video went on for a good bit. TS4 out.